Hello student, myself Kinjal Mistry. I am lecturer in Computer Department of UPMP Polytechnic. In this video lecture, we learn inter-process communication of processor and process management chapter number 2 in operating system subject whose subject code is 3330701 in Diploma Computer Engineering course. In this video lecture, we learn the following topic. First, inter-process communication. Then second, issue related to inter-process communication. Then third, independent versus cooperative process. Then advantage of cooperative process. Then last we learn disadvantage of cooperative process. Inter-process communication. Today most operating systems are multi-programming operating system. So, more than one process may be running simultaneously. In addition, such simultaneously running process can talk to each other also. In short, they can communicate with each other. Such type of communication is called an inter-process communication (IPC). Following are some examples in which inter-process communication occurs. First, a cell pipeline in Unix operating system. Here, output of one process is passed as input to the second process. Then second example, printing on printer in network. Here, a process running on local machine communicate to a process running on a remote machine which contain a printer. One process requests to printing operation and other process does two job of printing to provide service. Then third example, chat or mail server. Here a process running on client machine communication to a process running on server machine via internet. In a first example, process running on the same machine computer communicate to each other, while in two example process are on different machine. Issue related to inter-process communication (IPC). There are mainly three issues when arise during the inter-process communication. These are given as follow. Then first, how one process can pass information to another. To communication means to share some information or to pass information to other. One process can pass information to share file, message, passing, socket, etc. Two or more processes should not get into each other way. Then second issue. Suppose one process is printing some document in a printer. Means while some other process come while also want to print something, but it should wait till first process complete its printing. Those second process should not come in way of first one. Then third issue, proper sequencely should be maintained in execution of process when dependency are present. Consider two process A procedure some data and process B print them. Here B has to wait for process A and it cannot start to print until a procedure some data through proper sequencely should not be maintained. Independent versus cooperative process. The concurrent process executing in the operating system may be either independent process or cooperative process. Independent process. This process does not communication with any other process in the system. In other words, such process does not share any data with any other process. It cannot affect or be affected by the other process executing in the system. It does not participate in inter-process communication. Then cooperative process. This process communication with other process in the system. In other process share data with other processes. It can affect or be affected by the other processes executing in the system. Participate in their process communication (IPC). Then, advantage of cooperative process. First, information sharing. Sometimes several users may be interested in the some piece of information, such information regarding railway reservation like this. So share of the information should be possible. Then second advantage, communication speed up. Complex tasks can be divided into subtasks. Each subtask can be executed in parallel, providing execution speed up. Then third advantage, modularity. To make system modular, each system function should be divided into separate process or thread. So cooperative processes are useful there. Then fourth, convenient. A user may have many tasks on which to work at one time, such as editing, printing, compiling in parallel. This is possible by using cooperative process. Now, disadvantage of cooperative process. They give rise of problems such as race condition. Now, what is race condition? So, where two or more processes are reading or writing some shared data and the final result depends on the relative order of the execution is called race condition or racing problem. Then second, it is necessary to maintain proper synchronization among cooperative processes. Now, what is process synchronization? The process synchronization is a mechanism to ensure a symmetric sharing of resources among concurrently processes. These are two main disadvantages of cooperative process synchronization and race condition. Thank you so much for watching this video.